This is Kelly, and what we did to prepare her hair is we used Root Lift from Pureology, sprayed it at the roots all the way through the rest of the hair, and then we blow dried it with a large round brush, and we just finished the ends with a flat iron. So I'm going to start on the side that her hair doesn't part on, and take a slice from the top. We're going to bring it around, and then what I'm going to do is take a small slice from the opposite side, combing it through with my fingers, bringing it over, and then I'm going to cross this through, and I'm going to pull it tight like a knot. So I'm going to then join these two pieces together. I'm going to continue by wrapping the piece underneath, bringing my two fingers through, and then pulling the next section through. I'm going to place an elastic just underneath the previous loop. Now I'm going to take another section from just underneath. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just going to pull it from here over and tie it in a knot. Little piece from here. Bring it over, and same thing. And I'm just going to work my way down in the same pattern. Now I'm just going to bring it all over to the one side. I'm going to take another elastic. What I'm going to do is take a pair of shears, and I'm going to just lift this elastic away and remove it from that section. So now it's secure, everything's there, but you don't see it anymore, and it travels over into the elastic. Now I'm going to take a small piece from underneath, and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail holder, the elastic, a few times. And then I'm going to take the underneath, I'm going to place the hair underneath this part here, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin and go up into one of these twists here and secure that piece in. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish with a little bit of Strengthening Control hairspray. And we're just going to go and clean up any strays that we see that don't belong. So here's Kelly finished. You can see that we've got it going into the two sections, one right behind the ear and one just over from there, pulled over into a side pony. We've got this nice sweep on the other side, and it's off of her neck.